Good morning and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name is Darren. This channel is about backpacking, outdoor adventures, and finding your next adventure. In today's adventure, we're here in Davis for the Foxy Fall Ride 2024. Got my bike all kitted out right here, and we're getting ready to ride. So come join us. Okay, we're outside the Davis Veterans Memorial Center. It's 8:25. We're gonna leave in about 5 minutes to head out on the road for the Foxy Falls Metric Century, which is about 66 miles. Current temperatures, high 50s later this afternoon.
He forgot like
that's
half of what you need to do.
In the 60s. So we're ready and excited to ride. Hopefully we'll meet up with some of my friends and you can see how they're doing. Alright, we're about 10, 11 miles in now. Pushing 17 miles an hour. Just look at the view of this gorgeous warm farmland. We got to the Veterans Memorial Center about around a little before 8. Went into registration, picked up our green wristbands for the Metric Century. We also have snacks, croissants, coffee available, and then kitted up our bikes on the road. First rest stop is around 24-25 miles, so we're excited to get there, but still feeling fresh. Starting to heat up during the day, and just doing pretty good. Enjoying the ride. All right, we're about mile 30. Going up a little less than 1,000 feet of climbing. This is a couple mile climb, maybe 1 or 2 miles. Just working hard, get up the hill. We made it at the rest stop, mile 22. Got some electrolytes, honey stinger gummies, plenty of snacks, drink lots of water, starting to heat up, almost to the top. Got a little more climbing to go. Currently 40 miles in. There's strong headwinds on the back half here. Got about 5 miles to the next rest stop. We're gonna have more snacks, sandwiches. Getting tired. I'm all by myself right now, but today I'm riding with Mike, my brother-in-law Dean, Mike's niece Leanna. Yeah, and we're just cruising along, trying to fight this wind. Alright, we are here at the lunch stop off the side of the Putah Creek Road, right next to the little river, Putah Creek River. They got sandwiches, got a Coke, had some chips. We're about 43.25 miles. Just enjoying the scenery, taking a little longer break. We got porta potties over here behind me. Just making good time. We're 2.5 hours in, probably another hour and a half, and we'll be back in Davis. Feeling a little tired with that headwind coming in. Whew. Just gotta push through and make it to the end. Alright. About 53 miles in. My body is tired, my legs hurting, my butt is sore. Got 10 more miles to go. Roughly 30 minutes. Just trying to push through. Stay hydrated, get enough electrolytes. Don't want to cramp up. Alright, final push. Let's go. Alright, finished. 3 hours, 43 minutes, 62 miles and a half. Whew. Just about 1 o'clock. Nothing new with my bike. Alright, we just finished the ride, grabbed some nice Mexican food, chicken tacos, loaded up on drinks, and it was a great ride today. 63 miles total. I'm just gonna rest for the rest of the day. Thanks for joining us here on YeeFit Adventures. Hope to see you next time. Take care, stay safe, and let's find your next adventure.